Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm trying to do today is this little mini Eagle Barrel Padlock. It measures about an inch and an eighth in diameter, or just about 28.5 millimeters. So the key does work. Best I understand the way this works is you're actually turning like a threaded or a notched shaft in here that interacts. So this cannot be shimmed, and it is key retaining. It is the shackle's not sprung, or the core is sprung. So they're dead core, dead shackle. So this one does want to be picked in a certain order. I will say it took me a little while to find the binding order, but it takes pretty moderate tension, and I'll just go ahead and feel for what's binding. Usually it's number 4 pin. It's only a 4-pin lock. Lift up on 4. Usually gives a couple clicks before I check the other ones. If the other ones aren't binding, I keep going up on it. Alright, let's see that one. And if the front pin doesn't bind, something's not set, because that front pin will not bind until everything else is set. So something's not right. That front pin will not bind, and it's not binding. So something is not set or overset. Nope, I just felt the core move just a hair. And nope, pin 1 is not binding. Check pin 2. Give pin 2 just a little bit of a nudge. Alright, so pin 1 is now binding, and we're open. So there you have it. The Eagle Barrel lock is picked open. Alright. Oh, here's the key, just so you can see the bitting of the key. It is pretty. Gatekeeper, or that number 1, doesn't want to bind until all the rest are set. So, alright, thanks for watching.